This week, we're going to put the Tolacea Commuter backpack through the paces. We're going to test it out with our camera gear, on hikes, and Sean's going to do a little fishing and take it with him.
With a heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to. Oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our lion's paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey free roamers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, and today I am going to do a review on a backpack that our friends at Tolacea have sent us. It's a 30-liter backpack. It's designed for laptops, and man, it's got, well, you'll just have to see. But today I am going on a big hike. And so I was going to take my drone, but my drone comes in a bag that's kind of cumbersome, and you know, it's just a shoulder strap. So I'm going to repack my drone stuff into my new backpack. Man, this thing is pretty durable. It's got good padding. I'm going to get it set up, and we're going to hit the trail, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this during the hike. And this thing's got straps so you can strap extra things on the exterior. It's got all kinds of tech pockets. And you just wouldn't believe. I'll probably lose something if I put too much stuff in here. There's a nice little pocket there for keys or something you want to get to quickly. Huge storage inside, again with. There's a mesh pocket in here. Pockets on the front. Of course, your padded tablet laptop area in the back. And some more storage there. I mean, this thing is, when they say 30 liters, they mean 30 liters, but. Okay, so here we are. Tolacea 30-liter laptop pack. I've got all my drone equipment in there, and you can't even tell that I have anything in there. I mean, this thing has huge capacity. And the straps look like they're going to be pretty comfortable. I'll have more to say about that after I carry it for a few miles, but we're off to hike.
Got your new backpack there?
Yep.
Think you'll be able to carry it on our hike today?
Oh, yeah. The only thing I got left to do is, you know, just do a final adjustment on the straps when I get it on the trail. And I've got all my drone equipment in here.
Very cool.
And
there's still room for GoPro and Osmo when we get those.
Oh my gosh, yeah. And then, of course, we're going to be able to carry a couple of waters on each side when we hit the trail.
Very cool.
But, man, this is stylish. It looks good.
It's
very nice
free to
material.
roam blue, too, almost, huh?
Yeah, pretty much.
My water. You don't want them, babe?
No, I had some.
Okay.
You gonna put it away?
I'll put it back in this handy dandy backpack.
I need to spray my arms now.
Yeah, it's
Yes. Just because now I'm.
yeah, so we're what, 2.5 miles in now? Have we been?
Yeah. Well,
Pretty comfortable, yeah.
Yeah. 3 miles.
3 miles. I've been carrying a new backpack. The straps are real comfortable. Of course, it's carrying a lot of stuff, and still got quite a bit of room for other stuff. So anyway, I'll give you more about it when we get up here. Yeah, we unpack.
Oh. Look at that. You can lay that down and set it
It's a stable
flat.
base. So it really, really expands.
Yeah, look how big that is down there when you put it flat. You've got
All these organizational compartments.
yeah, you got this compartment,
here.
you've got that compartment.
It is designed to hold laptops. Look at that.
Yeah, look at the-
That's another feature too.
Oh, it folds down
Yeah, it's a
flat.
180 fold flat. So that's a TSA approved function.
Oh, yeah.
So perfect for travel.
Padded.
So
Oh
you
my
can-
gosh,
yep.
you've got this could be for a tablet
Yep,
right here.
tablet or laptop. I mean, it is just designed to take care of your electronics.
And then you've
Magnetic
got things over
closure.
here you can put, like, this is great for the camera,
Oh,
y'all,
yeah.
because I'm using the Osmo right now, but if I wasn't using the Osmo in its case, it could slide right inside here. Look at that.
100%, yep.
The Osmo could go there. Sean could put the drone in there and the GoPro. You could put the laptop in here.
Well,
You could put a tablet in here, put another one in there. I mean, there are so many pockets. Plus, when it's all closed up,
Look,
as you saw on our hike, you can put your water bottle in each side.
Oh yeah, this thing is just super versatile. And then I use it even. The other thing I like too is you got these pads.
And they're breathable
So
pads.
if you needed to carry it, like, you know, as a laptop briefcase
look
or
at
whatever.
this. This right here, you guys, is designed to go, the handle of your suitcase can go through
Right.
there and you can pull it. What Sean really likes about this padding back here is we went on a hike and this padding is breathable so it's not hot.
Yeah,
It doesn't make you
I don't
sweat.
have those, like, you know, when you carry a pack outside, a lot of times you get that sweat on your
Yeah.
back. Whatever. This thing breathes really good.
I love it, y'all. This is our new favorite backpack. This
What
is
do you
going to
mean
be,
hour?
we can carry all of our camera gear.
Oh yeah. And so I'm about to
Look
load
at
it
this
up.
right here. What is this? Open that for me. Show me that pocket, that zipper right there.
So if you wanted to put a, you know, bedroll or something on front too, you could strap
Or
whatever
roll up
onto
a
the front.
raincoat or whatever.
Yeah. I think I have that open already.
Just another little pocket
Yep,
on
another
the
little
front.
pocket for anything you want to get to quickly, or if you're hiking with somebody and you want to, you know, have something in there that they can reach from behind you.
Yeah.
The Tolacea 30-liter
Commuter.
commuter backpack.
I love it.
I mean, it stands up by itself on that base. As you know, my laptop, I like a big laptop because I want the real estate on the screen because I don't see as good as I used to. So this thing, it'll actually hold up to a 15.5-inch laptop or like a 12-inch tablet. I mean, so you don't have to have like the little MacBook or whatever to fit in there. It actually holds a good size laptop.
If you're interested in this 30-liter commuter backpack or any other products that Tolacea offers, you can find them at tolacea.com.
We really enjoyed the opportunity to review and test the Tolacea commuter backpack. Whether we were carrying our laptop, our cameras and gear, or just taking it down to the fishing hole, it performed flawlessly. Thanks for tuning in and checking out this product review, and we'll see you out there.
Heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to roll. Can't you see? From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.